everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a little storm cloud, like this one. So, here's what we need: some white acrylic paint, pink and black if you want, and TLS, some kind of tool, toothpick, and some black, yellow, and silver clay. And I'm using a blade, and you'll need eye pins. So first take your black clay and mix it with your silver, kind of marble it together. And then shape it into kind of a cloud shape. And take your tool or something and kind of press down in certain spots, like that, to give the cloud a shape. Smooth it. Like that. So she looks something like that. And stick your eye pin in, and then take another one and put it in the bottom for the lightning bolt. That. Alright, so that's fine. Look at your lightning bolt. So take some yellow clay and press it down. That. And take a blade or something sharp and cut kind of a lightning bolty shape. Alright, and then once you've made that, your lightning bolt, take an eye pin and stick it in there, and you can put some TLS on it if you want, but you do not need to. So take your lightning bolt and press this. Alright, now that's baked in its lightning bolt, you can take some toothpick or something to just face, and some paint. I'm using pink, black, and white. To take some black paint. Alright, and then do your cheeks or whatever else you want on there. Oops, I messed up its face. Kind of winky or something. So, did that one's face. And Alright, so now that you have your faces painted on, you're going to take a jump ring and open it up and place that on your little cloud and lightning bolt. Set your jump ring. And you have your little cloud. Let's see that. Here I have a couple other ones I've made. These other ones are glazed. Sorry, the video quality is not very good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe.